Where is Dalal Street located? Answer A. Mumbai. Which is the largest mutual fund organization of India? Answer B. UTI. Which of the following is not a method of controlling inflation? Answer B. Reduction in interest rate. Were presenters of market rules? Answer A. JRB Sack. Operation Flood is related to which work? Answer C. Milk production. Which country is the largest producer of wheat in the world? Answer C. China. Blue revolution is related to which of the following? Answer A. Fishing. Which is the largest industry of India? Answer B. Textile industry. What is the most important job of an entrepreneur? Answer B. Risk taking. India has achieved self-reliance in the production of. Answer A. Food grains. India's rank in tobacco production in the world is. Answer C. Third. When was the Operation Flood program started? Answer D. 1970. When was India's first mineral policy declared? Answer B. 1951. What are the things which are scarce and their supply is limited? Answer A. Economic goods. The National Stock Exchange was established by which committee? Answer C. Fairvani Committee. Where is the banknote press located? Answer C. Devas. Inflation causes the most losses. Answer B. Creditor. Which countries often have hard currency? Answer A. Developed countries. Who's prepared the first estimate of national income for the country? Answer A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who composed Kalpadrum? Answer B. Lakshmidhar. National Clear Air Program launched in India. Answer B. 2019. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer C. Economic rent is the difference between the market wage and the reservation wage. With which form of economic is the term laissez-faire associated? Answer A. Capitalist economy. Who among the following promotes social justice? Answer C. John Rawls. Which state of India is called Sugar Ball? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Where is India's first iron steel company located? Answer A. Jamshedpur. India's largest coffee producing state? Answer A. Karnataka. In which of the following industrial policy small scale industries were giving more emphasis? Answer C. 1977 industrial policy. Does the federal budget receive maximum income from? Answer C. Excise duty. Which one of the following industries employ maximum labor force in India? Answer B. Textile industry.